So guys, I decided to film today without any form of ring light or artificial light. This is me facing the natural light, and I would like to tell you that the secret, I didn't know that sometimes your skin condition might not be as a result of the food you eat or the environment. Sometimes it might be internal, it might be as a result of some kind of imbalance in your system. So I found out about supplements and I started using skincare supplements. So before I got those skincare supplements, I had to identify my major issues. Number one issue for me was the fact that my skin felt a bit dull, and I had serious UV damage. My skin was burnt. I had sunburn. If you see my 20 days video on using skincare supplements, you would see the sunburn that I had compared to now. I'm going to be showing you guys the skincare supplements that I currently use and how much I got them for. Note that I'm not a doctor, I'm not an health person, so please seek advice before you decide to use any of these skincare supplements, okay? By the way, my name is Akonke Oge, CEO Star Cottage Plus and Akonke Oge. We deal with beauty products, skincare brands. I'm also a new YouTuber who gives beauty tips, hacks, and lifestyle, tips as well. So kindly click on the subscribe button if you'd like to see similar videos like this, and also encourage me as a new YouTuber that I am. Yeah, so also click on the like button as well. Cheers, love you guys. So the number one supplement I'd like to talk about is the folic acid. Yes, folic acid is also a very good supplement that is high in vitamin B9. Yes, your body cannot produce folate, so your folic acid is high in folate. It helps cell division. Also folic acid is also good for people who are looking to have children. Yes, if you're trying to conceive, folic acid is very, very good for you. Then it also prevents sun damage. It fights premature skin aging. It also prevents acne, which was an issue that I needed to battle. It also helps for glow. It's also, like I said, good for people trying to give birth. So that was why I picked the folic acid. Yes, this is what my folic acid looks like according to the video. So the next product that I also picked was my vitamin E. Yes, vitamin E, because I felt like I needed to repair my skin. So the two things that vitamin E does is it protects your skin and it repairs your skin. If you check my previous video on how I made my organic body butter, you would see me including vitamin E, because I feel that is the most important thing, like for skin. It's also very good for skin glow as well. It helps to protect against UV damage. It's also very, very good for anything sun and UV damage, and it also helps to glow the skin. That's why I picked my vitamin E. If you're using any form of skincare supplement, I suggest that you also get your vitamin E supplement, because it goes a long way. Now the next supplement I will be showing you guys, which I still currently use, is my if you're following me, you know what it is. It's my Satin skin. Sorry, I'm not filming directly with my ring light, so it might just get a bit shaky. So the next one is my Satin skin supplement. Satin skin is high in astaxanthin plus and glutathione plus. If you'd like to know the benefit of this, click on my previous video. I think I've explained and expressed the essence of using glutathione enough. Then the next product that I would also be showing you guys is my Sparkle White, brilliant whitening supplement. My Sparkle White is also very, very good. I've explained the benefits in previous video. If you'd like to know the benefit of those, please watch my previous video. But I will tell you that using glutathione is also a very great antioxidant for your skin. Using these products would also help your skin produce high collagen and high glutathione. It increases your glutathione and high collagen level, thereby repairing your skin and boosting your immune to fight against free radicals. So yeah, these are high scientific terms. So I am using this skincare supplement with intention. I'm not just using them to whiten, but I'm using them with intention. So I hope you guys find this helpful. You can get your skincare supplements anywhere, but if you'd like to know where I got my glutathione supplement, I also have a video linked for that. So have a wonderful day, guys. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section and I would be happy to answer you guys. Cheers, bye.